Wavlink Wi-Fi repeater setup. Step 1. Power on. Plug the Wavlink repeater into a power outlet and wait for the LED to stabilize. Step 2. Connect to repeater. Use your phone or computer to connect to the repeater's default Wi-Fi network, e.g., Wavlink N. Step 3. Access Admin Panel. Open a browser and enter the default IP, e.g., 192.168.10.1, or wifi.wavlink.com. Step 4. Log in, enter the default username and password, usually admin. Step 5. Choose repeater mode, select repeater mode from the setup options. Step 6. Select existing Wi-Fi. Pick your existing Wi-Fi network from the list of available networks. Step 7. Enter Wi-Fi password. Input your existing Wi-Fi's password and confirm. Step 8. Save settings. Click Apply and wait for the repeater to reboot. Step 9. Reconnect to extended network. Connect your devices to the repeater's new network, e.g., your Wi-Fi XT. Step 10. Test connectivity. Verify the internet speed and coverage in the extended area.